Welcome to Shop Wild Things Video Time with Tina. Today we're going to be talking about our jelly decor. I'm going to be commenting on some of the questions that are the most popular from our customers and working with the product and showing you how easy it is to use. First of all, one of the first questions that we have is, how do you use the product? Well, the answer to that is hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate with water. Get 2 gallons of water and pour your jelly decor straight out of the packages that you'll receive. The large jelly decor will yield approximately 1.5 gallons, and the small jelly decor also will yield approximately 1.5 gallons. Now, I hydrated this overnight. You can hydrate for 2 hours to 24 hours and you'll be just fine. Use hot water and it will hydrate a little faster, and if you use distilled water it will hydrate, I think, probably just a little clearer, but I use just regular tap water. I hydrated this jelly decor over 24 hours ago and drained the water out, and it still yields the 1.5 gallons, and I hydrated the small jelly decor the same time over 24 hours ago, and it still yields the 1.5 gallons. Okay, that's all you have to do. You want to use a strainer when you drain the water out of there so that you don't clog your drain with these jelly decors, because they will do that. So you want to make sure you pay attention to that. The next question I always get is, how much do I need? And the best way to measure how much you need is to take the vase that you are using, fill it to the water line, and count out how many gallons you have. Remember, you'll get 1.5 gallons out of each one of these sizes. So keep track of your count on the gallons. Also, I want to mention, we do sell the jelly decor, the small and the large, which yields the 1.5 gallons, and also we have a bulk clear and turquoise blue, which will yield 14 gallons if you have a lot to fill up. The next thing that I want to talk about is color and lighting with that. A lot of times they want to know what's the brightest color to use on the colored jelly decor. And the brightest color is always going to be a clear light that's going to, shoot the most color in there. If you put a blue light into blue colored decor, it's going to show you an illumination of blue. I'm going to use one of my remote controls here for our submersible Summix lighting, which is great to use with our jelly decor because you don't have to disturb your centerpieces once they've been created, which is a huge time saver. I can't express that enough. And just to show you an example, I'm going to take my white LED Summix lighting, submerge it into the blue, and you're going to see how bright that gets. And I'm going to take the blue, submerge it into the blue. So you have a little bit of a softer color going on in there, but you're going to get the brightest illumination with the white. Also, if you want to use a mixture of colors, we've got our cube vases that we offer, the 4x4 and the 5x4. I've got green and blue mixed in this one, so I'm going to show you an example of a white light in the green and blue, and an example of the blue light. And then if you wanted to really get kind of different with color, put them blue, green, and white in there, so you're kind of showing off a little bit more. More lighting is always great. And then I have in the 5x5 cube just the green lighting, and there you go. It just lights up wonderfully. A lot of people ask us questions, can I reuse my jelly decor? And you can. You can just let the beads shrink down to the small bead seed size and seal them in a plastic Ziploc baggie, and you can reuse this product over and over again. So you get a lot of product for your money, a lot of bang for your buck, and the reuse of it. It's a wonderful way to, get more out of your event decor. Another thing I wanted to go over with with the LED lighting. It's really neat to be able to pop this remote control in the bride and groom's hand right before they're getting ready to sit down at the bridal table. As the bride sits down at the table and the groom for their special dinner, and just to kind of pop the lighting on in there, the whole light in their head table lights up. It's really just a neat little thing to be able to do, and kind of makes a big statement on the wedding. So I hope that you've enjoyed this segment working with the Jelly Decor and the LED lighting. Decorating with Jelly Decor adds an additional element of design and interest to your centerpiece arrangements, and when it's paired with the LED lighting, you get an elegant glow that can dramatically change the effect of the centerpiece. I hope I shared with you how easy it is to use the Jelly Decor, and that concludes our video time with Tina. We'll see you back next time. Bye.